everyone, here I'm going to be showing you my chatbot that I made, at least on the front end. I'm still trying to get everything working on the back end. But before I go, I want to at least show you my documentation that I have on it. And basically, like, the things I'm using is, you know, your typical PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, just like what we normally use. And then we're using, you know, of course, Postgres, and we're using Supabase in our case, which helps connect to that. And of course, VS Code. And these are basically just all the list of questions, and we're going to keep a library theme. And, you know, it's just like what you typically ask, like how many books you can borrow, how many items, and so forth. So, and I did at least want to include a web scraping one, since this is something I worked on in my survey programming class. And I figure, you know, since I know web scraping, not all websites allow that, and I think, you know, if someone wants to use it, go for it. So, anyways, and also these are some of the challenges I faced. And of course, like, the notifications, since I tried doing an autoplay, but I know with, like, most browsers, you gotta, you know, go through some settings, and the typical user's not going to be able to do that. But also for dark mode and light mode, it can only change, like, the color of the text, not the background, so I'm still trying to work on that. But I temporarily removed it for this demonstration, but hopefully by next week I should get that all up and running. But now let me show you what I have. So I'm going to go show you my page here in a second. So there we go. I'm just going to log in like how I normally do. And here we go. So here, give it about 10 seconds and it should start showing up. It should show up right around here. And yep, here we go. There's our little chatbot here called Little Assistant. Basically, this is where you can, you know, type in a question. Like I said, backend is still in work in progress. But it seems like every time you hit send, I think it refreshes the page. So that is something that I need to work with. But just to demonstrate that the you can close out of it. Here's our little X icon that you typically see. And there you go. You can just browse the pages normally. And just to show my VS Code here a little bit. Open up here. And basically this is just the show chatbot function. This is the JavaScript set timeout. This is what you use in order to get your chatbot to function after 10 seconds, which I think this uses milliseconds. I don't know why they do that, but that's just what you gotta do. And this is also some of the other stuff I'm working with, like the audio, light function, dark function. And yeah, that's basically on my end. So thank you for watching, and take care.